Hello band students, and thank you for practicing. This video is for the Jolly Dutchman. It is trombone specific, so it'll work for any instrument, but especially trombone players. I'll be using your letters, your slide positions. Tuba, it'll work for you. It'll be the same letters. They'll just sound an octave different. So even for like flute players, why not? So the video is designed with the visuals, the here and the stop, so that you can focus on different areas of the video. So like watch it more than once. If you find it helpful, please tell me. If you'd like to see something different, please let me know that too. Feedback really, really helps me to improve. Help me help you. Buzzing is always the right answer. So we're going to start where it says here. Ready, go. So popping those accents and noticing that there are E naturals. That natural sign, those yellow notes are E naturals. So you can listen or buzz along or play along, but let's go at the beginning. Ready, go. Don't practice until you get it right. Practice until you can't get it wrong. So maybe do that a couple more times until you feel really confident. And then perhaps the next time you listen to this video, you will skip ahead until the screen looks like this. For the purposes of this video, we will be doing the low options. You can see that multiple choice note there, and we'll be doing the low option. We're going to buzz first because buzzing is so good for you. Ready, go. Notice that those A's are A naturals. And if your brain needs a little bit of help, like mine some days, then you might want to circle it or write a 2 for second position. And at the top of the staff, those are B flats. Okay. So we're doing the low option, which means at circle 2, we're like F, C, 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 D, 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 E, E, D, C. Again, feel free to just listen or buzz along or play along. This is the pickup to circle 2. Ready, go. Don't practice till you get it right. If you said practice till you don't get it wrong or can't get it wrong, that's the right answer. Now some magic happens at circle 4, and this magic is called a key change. So now you've got A flats. All of the A's magically turn into A flats. So we're going, let's just buzz from here to here. Ready, set, go. like here is the half notes are 2 counts, the dotted half notes are 3 counts. Plus, you've got A flat. Those A's are 3rd position. All right. Let's go from here to here. Now, since we're playing low notes, we're gonna skip those 3 notes just before circle 5, that G, A, B, that lead up. We're just gonna skip those for right now, and I encourage you to mark your music the same. I'm gonna make that a little darker. So we are starting at the here. Count careful. Ready, set, go. Skip, then go. So count careful. Count, count, count. And then count some more. There's some tricky counting at 6 as well. E to G, F to A flat. So let's just finish up that first page, noticing that there's a lead in right there. All right. Oh, there's a trick question. Haha. Beto, beto. You got an A flat and a C, 2 notes in a row that are both 3rd position. Do that a few times, please. So again, watch the counting. E to G. Ready, set, go.